This is step-by-step how I painted I've Got a Secret based on a photo by Judith Jerams at Paint My Photo. So first a sketch, and then all the values in Indian yellow. So at this point it looks pretty weird. You start adding some of the layers of color, but once the eye goes in, the picture starts coming alive. So that's a balance between the left and the right eye. And then added her mouth and starting to work to lay out her hair, the different flips in her hair. And I had missed this part on the right, so I put that in and got some wisps in. And then figuring out what to do with her blouse and some more details in the shading. And I just loved painting this picture. Thanks so much for watching.